Hi everybody. We're going to condense logarithms by writing them as a single log. So for example, we have our product property, our quotient property, and our power property. So this is the product property. Oopsie, and quotient property. Didn't leave room. This is your power property. And we want it to look like this side. So we want them to look like that. That's a single log. In the power property, we merely just want to move the p back to the value. So for example, the first one we have is this one. We're doing 6. And I want this as a single log. We're going to use the quotient property because of the minus sign. So this is log of a over b. Remember, if there's no base, that's considered a common log, and that would be base 10. Okay, this one is the quotient property again. So first thing I want to do is move that power, fix that first. So that's b squared. So I just move that 2 right there. Now we use as a single log. So that's going to be c over b squared. The next one is this one. First do your power property and move that. For example, we're going to move the 1/4 here, and the 2/3 here is the power. Log base 3 of p to the 2/3, and we merely write it as a single log. So it's going to be k to the 1/4 over p, to the 2/3. Now, if you want, you can write those as radicals. So that would be the 4th root. I don't know if you want to or not. It doesn't really matter. And this would be cube root of p squared. Alright. Do the same thing for this one. Do the power property first. Now, we can go ahead and write it as a single log. Just write it like that. Now, 25 to the 1/2 is the same as square root of 25. So that's just going to be 5. So I'll go ahead and simplify that further. So this would be 5, and 6 squared is just 36. 2 more. And use your power property first. Write it as a single log. Since it has a plus, that means we're going to multiply and use the product property. Now we know 49 to the 1/2 is the same as the square root of 49, which would be 7. And so you can write 7 times p to the 1/5. Or you could write this as log base 3 of 7 times the 5th root of p. The last one is this one. So use your power property. I just moved these to the power. It's the product property, so I'm going to condense this. And I'm going to do this as well. 2 cubed is 8. And 5 squared is 25. 8 25s is 200. Do that if you want. Alright, and that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.